Working with a PLY file from a 3D scanner or research project and need the right tool to visualize it? This is a versatile polygon mesh format embraced across scientific, engineering, and creative disciplines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you exactly how to work with these 3D model files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest PLY cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. PLY files are 3D polygon mesh files using the Stanford Polygon File Format, designed for storing three-dimensional data from 3D scanners and modeling applications. They contain vertex positions, face definitions, and optional per-vertex properties, including color normals and texture coordinates in a flexible, extensible structure. PLY files begin with a text header declaring element types, vertex face, and their properties, followed by data in ASCII or binary format. The header uses the PLY magic number and specifies format type as ASCII binary, little endian, or binary # big endian. Custom properties can extend the standard vertex and face elements. An essential utility for interacting with PLY is recognized as Blender by Blender Foundation. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows shows only basic attributes for this category, so full access depends on specialized modeling software. Start by right-clicking the PLY file and selecting Open With. Test Blender first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some PLY files are very particular about the opener. If your PLY file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Failure of the main program tells us the PLY error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, opening in MeshLab. Download MeshLab, a free open source mesh processing application, and open the PLY file using File, then Import Mesh. MeshLab renders the 3D model with vertex colors if present and provides measurement, filtering, smoothing, and repair tools for mesh processing and analysis workflows. Next, viewing in CloudCompare. Open PLY files in CloudCompare for point cloud analysis and comparison. CloudCompare excels at handling large PLY datasets from 3D scanners with tools for registration distance computation, segmentation, and statistical analysis of point cloud data commonly used in surveying and quality inspection. Finally, converting to other formats. Use MeshLab to convert PLY files to STL OBJ or other 3D formats through File, then Export Mesh. Select the target format and configure options for binary or ASCII output, texture coordinate export, and normal vector inclusion based on the requirements of your target application or 3D printing workflow. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.